What's the meaning of crystallography? Crystallography. Crystallography.
Crystallography. Crystallography. Crystallography is the scientific study of crystals and their structure. It involves analyzing the arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules within a crystal lattice, as well as the physical and chemical properties of these structures. The results of crystallography research provide insights into the behavior and properties of materials such as metals, semiconductors, and pharmaceuticals. Crystallography has numerous applications in fields ranging from materials science to biology, and has played a key role in the development of new technologies and materials.